We've talked about the present. In your past, you've worked in a couple of sales roles in a few different industries, and you've obviously your career's got a really great sort of natural progression to it. I feel. Looking back on your previous roles, I know you've been in the construction industry a little bit, the automotive industry. How do you reflect on those periods of time? Those, let's say, training grounds like type sales roles. How do you reflect on those?
Look, they were big moments. I before sales, I was just in the public sector down in Tassie, just
Yeah.
like literally pushing paper. Like it wasn't all that fun, but it was one of those things that was super safe. I met this dude at a wedding, and he was the GM at this major car dealership, and I kind of thought, oh, you know what, like maybe it might be worth having a chat to him. And we did, and we really got along. And I ended up going for it and just starting there as a sales exec. So I was selling used cars, like just out of a random spot in the suburbs of Hobart. And he taught me heaps around sales. He was very successful in it. He'd done it all of his life.